What you eat matters. Research have shown that eating lots of refined grains could increase body fat. As your body fat increases, the chances for chronic disease also increases. If we incorporate more whole grains into our diet, research also shows that our body fat decreases. Incorporating whole grains might seem a little bit difficult, but it doesn't have to be. In the morning, you could add a little bit of oatmeal for breakfast. For lunch, you could add a whole grain, maybe whole grain bread or whole grain tortilla. And for dinner, you might be able to add brown rice or some quinoa or bulgur. So today we're gonna make banana oatmeal pancakes. If you go to the supermarket, you probably notice that you have 4 kinds of oatmeal. You have steel cut, old-fashioned, quick oats, and instant oats. We recommend that you, if you're gonna eat it as a cereal in the morning, to buy the steel cut. For this recipe, we're gonna use the old-fashioned oats. 2 eggs, scrambled or beaten. 2 mashed bananas. You will need a 1/2 cup of your favorite berries, frozen or fresh. I chose fresh today. You will need a 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and heat up our oil in our skillet before we mix in the ingredients. So I have it about medium high. So while this is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and mix our ingredients. So in a large bowl, we're gonna go ahead and put in the 1/2 cup of oatmeal, the 2 eggs, the bananas, the vanilla, our baking powder, and I do have to measure the cinnamon. And we go ahead and we mix it together. When we incorporate whole grains into our diet, our body digests high fiber foods. Whole grains are high in high fiber. Our body digests high fiber foods a little bit slower. So that means that you are fuller for a longer period of time. You will be less hungry. If you are new to incorporating whole grains into your diet, we recommend that you do it slowly. Maybe add 1 whole grain per week as you incorporate those 3 servings of whole grain into your diet. Water and fiber are best friends, so make sure that if you are incorporating high fiber foods like whole grains, make sure that you are drinking water. So I went ahead and added some strawberries, and I have my 1/2 cup of mixed berries for my pancakes. And we are ready to serve this, our breakfast oatmeal banana pancake. And we just add our berries on top. And there we go. Here you have your banana oatmeal pancakes.